It's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this quick and easy quilted placemat set. With just a few minutes time and your favorite fabrics, or seasonal or holiday fabrics, you'll have a new set of placemats for your table. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. First, fold the 1 yard of backing fabric in half and press it. Fold it in half one more time and press it, and cut on the pressed lines. Place one of the backing fabrics with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Center a piece of batting in the middle. Center the fabric on top and baste it to limit shifting during quilting. And quilt the piece as desired. Since we're using the backing piece as a binding, do not stitch beyond the edge of the front fabric piece. Here's a tip if you want to quilt straight lines. Use a piece of painter's tape to use as a guide for quilting and stitch very close to the edge of the tape. Unfold the backing and trim the backing fabric so it measures 1 1/4 inches away from the front fabric. To create the binding and mitered corners, fold the corner of the backing so it meets the corner of the front piece and press it. Open up the fold and cut on the crease line. Fold the cut corner over the corner of the front piece and press it. Fold each side so the raw edges of the backing meet near the raw edges of the front piece and press it. Fold the backing fabric over one more time so it becomes a binding on the front and press it. Follow the same technique all around the placemat. Use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place and adjust the mitered corners if necessary. Then top stitch around the outside near the open edge of the binding. And just like that, just that fast, you have your own handmade quilted placemats to brighten up your table. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.